Good morning, G. Good
Morning,
morning,
morning.
everyone on YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me get our music going. Give me a minute. I've just been vibing up this morning, I must say. All right, we got that music going now. Well, first off, for everyone on YouTube, the voices you're going to hear on this stream, no, I'm not talking to myself. They are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society, a trading community helping everyday people, new traders, seasoned traders become profitable in the markets. So, with that being said, listen in, learn something, stay safe in the markets, and let me get over to the Legacy family. Well, for first off, good morning, G. Um, how was your evening yesterday?
It was good, pretty good, man.
We'll take it.
Good. I made like 12,
Okay, that's awesome.
1200 yesterday. So, but good question, cause I see like on one of my evals, right?
Mm-hmm.
I thought I blew it, but for some reason it says it's still active. But
Okay.
when I try to like make a trade on it, it won't let me.
Okay. So you can't take a trade on it, but it's
Oh,
not blown.
right.
I would honestly submit a ticket to Tradeify so that way they could get that resolved for you if it's not actually blown.
Okay. And I'm not gonna lie to well. Oh, hey Kayla.
Good
Good
morning, Kayla.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Shit. I was looking. The market went, man. It went up. It was going up in pre.
Yeah, it went back up. It's yesterday for the overnight session. It definitely started going back up. Um, honestly, we're going to see what we get today. I'm in no rush whatsoever. We're above the VWAP, above the 21 EMA, and we're above yesterday's high as well. So, market's very bullish right now. So,
Right.
we're going to keep that in mind since we are above that VWAP, especially. So, first flags we're looking for will be those bull flags. But if we see something else, we'll definitely take it. Excited to see how today's session goes. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Steve. Morning, what?
In a much better mood than I was yesterday. I'm not anxious today. Not smelling like my kid's hairspray. So that's probably gonna help me out. Well, I've switched up my routine this week. I'm trying to see if I like it or not. I've been waking up early in the morning to go to the gym instead of waiting until after the stream to go to the gym because at that time lately it's been crazy busy.
Which gym you go to?
I go to Crunch.
Oh, Crunch. Okay.
Hey, listen, Captain Crunch is not a gym, sucker. And then you're telling me that like a little bit of hairspray messed with your day. I was sitting in the sauna, mother.
Well, we both sat in a sauna, so just know I was in a sauna too this morning, at least. So we'll take
Yeah, but
it.
you were at the gym. I was at home. You keep trading on my level, and you could have a sauna at home.
Well, I'm trying to get there, Steve. I'm trying to get there.
All you need to do is show up.
Duane, listen. Duane can get a sauna right now if you want to. Listen, Duane, they got these portable saunas you can use too. They have them. They don't cost a lot.
Look, man, I once took a ride with G, and he turned on the heater in his car. So we all got it, baby. We all got it.
I've thought about getting a sauna at the house, but maybe not at the next house I get. We'll see.
Well, I feel like this market about to plummet.
Hey, if the momentum's there, you see an opportunity, that's on you.
Right.
We are above the close from yesterday. So since we're above that close as well, close from yesterday is at 379. So we could potentially drop down, tap that close, and keep it pushing up. But we're above the VWAP, so I'm waiting to see what the market gives us we do have news today. We do have news at 10 o'clock.
Oh, at 10? Okay.
Yep. And then tomorrow, big news day. We have 8:15, 8:30, 9:45, and 10 o'clock.
And 10 o'clock, yes.
Which time again? You said
8:15, 8:30, 9:45, and 10 o'clock.
Damn. Wow.
So tomorrow will be lots of news. I'm just ready for the market to open. I'm jacked on the juice today. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. I don't know what's so funny, Kayla. Like, relax over there, all right?
Did you take pre-workout?
I do not take pre-workout.
There's natural pre-workout beets. If you like juice them, they're a form of pre-workout.
Yeah, man, and like I got the Dr. Dre beats. Those work too.
Since I'm a carnivore, I don't do any any drinks or anything. Like, I've thought about taking pre-workout again because I used to love taking pre-workout, but I just haven't touched it in over a year now. So
noted.
No, duly noted. Did you get your chip for that? Like a cake or something?
I did not, Steve. You forgot to send it to me. Oh, ready to go. Ready to go.
Well, around that EMA, man, that's pretty interesting.
That we are. That we are.
Where was that VWAP? I finally got signed in, brother.
The VWAP, let me pull that up 1 second. VWAP is
yesterday
383.
Okay, your VWAP and mine wasn't adding up yesterday, so it'll be interesting.
Let me actually, my indicators still weren't working for my pivots. Let me put this one on, see if it works now. All right, so we have pivots. That's high up there. So we have no pivot. Okay. All right, there we go. That's better.
Yeah, I don't see the pivot point.
Well, we've been moving up right now. So on this screen that I have, we have a pivot all the way down at 319.
You said 319?
And then the next pivot point that I'm seeing is up at 613. So big gap here. I don't know if, let me double check. These are auto, so that's weird.
I tried to move my chart trader, and it's not showing all the information. It's still acting weird.
Yeah, we had the holiday on Monday, so for me, my pivots may not be the most accurate because whenever we have an off day like that, the pivot points get wonky.
Okay.
Let's see. Trying to see what we're going to get here. We got 2 more minutes, less than 2 minutes now for market open. Market's been going up since yesterday's close, so we're going to see. We're going to see what we get today. I'm going to be patient, and that's all we can do. All right, market's starting to come back down right now.
Anticipating.
Get that on my screen. I'm just excited. Another day to do this.
You gotta start jumping for joy or something.
I was getting ready to start the stream by dancing, to be honest with you guys, but I'm like, not today, not today.
Yeah, let's save that for later. I don't feel so good all of a sudden. Right, here we go.
Market is open. Market is open. There's no rush here. Literally no rush. today I'm gonna really work on my discipline and try waiting as long as possible to that 9:45. Unless there's just like crazy momentum. All right, there's the bears trying to step in right there.
Yeah, look at that wick.
I want to take a quick scalp for a short, but I don't trust it. Right back all the way down here, going close to the. Oh, we did tap the VWAP. We did tap that VWAP.
That was crazy.
Yep. I want to see if we get below this VWAP here.
Give me a second. I'll see what I can do.
All right, dropping below the VWAP, getting ready to touch yesterday's close. All right, let's see how we respond down here.
That's like my second rap track ever, dropping below the VWAP. Hey, you can laugh, but that thing slayed.
Let's see if we build out a bear flag. The Bears want to push this down. The Bulls want to push it up. Who's going to win right now? That is the question. We're above this VWAP just slightly, so I'm not touching it yet. Want to see us figure it out first.
Offering that support for the flag, huh, Duane?
Yep.
I wanted to say something serious so you knew I was paying attention. I'm just thrilled to have AC. I'm thrilled to be around my people.
I'm happy that you have AC, because when I didn't have it, man, it was not fun.
Well, I have that RV, so I fired up the trailer and leveled it right in the front yard, and so I was good there. But man, the house, oof.
Yeah.
And I had to do chores outside, and I had to come in. It was like no fun, no fun.
Yeah, at one point for me when RAC went out, it was cooler outside than it was inside.
Well, that was yesterday when my wife came home. Even after the AC was like running for like 3 hours, I walked outside and it was more refreshing. I'm like, wait a second.
Yeah.
I mean, it was feeling better inside, but when I just walked outside, I'm like, But while they were here, we went all through it, and I ordered an extra service on it. I'm like, let's get this thing good, man. This summer's just been brutal.
Yeah. Still flat, no trades yet. Only 4 minutes in. I know it feels so much longer.
Have you doodled? Yes, you did.
I doodled. I did doodle. So. Just patiently waiting here. One of my things that I'm still trying to perfect and get better at is not jumping in too early, because I tend to do that sometimes.
Yeah, but look, man, you're not a robot. And, there's a lot of people that are on this, like, just trade AI and do these rules, but it proves that you're human. Now, as far as G and I'm concerned, you're superhuman in this, but nevertheless, you're not a robot. I'm
not a robot today, at least, so we'll take it.
I got to say, in the past, when I knew you, you weren't a robot then either. I just want to put that out there. And And I saw the fireplace because on the bigger screen yesterday, it was very impressive.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I even turned it up today, so it'll look nicer on the stream for you guys.
Hey, so does it like move along with music and stuff? Like, is it one of those where you can jam out?
No, it's not one of those.
Okay, well, think about what you're doing next time.
Yeah, next time I gotta get that one. All right, let's see how this plays out right here. Bears are trying to step in. Just waiting. We tapped that VWAP once again. Didn't get the follow through. We got this whole number that we're around as well. So just patiently waiting right now. Patiently waiting.
Yeah, and thank you for pointing out that whole number. I was so transfixed on the VWAP. And sometimes that'll get you. Because you're like looking and it's like, oh.
Yep, that happens to me all the time. I'll be focused on the Renko bars or focused on the 2 minute and not looking at where the price actually is at sometimes.
Yeah.
And then I'll get in and be in drawdown. I'm like, why did I just do that?
That happened to me yesterday, actually, because I was looking, everything looked good, and it hit that whole number and bounced, and I was like, then I looked over, I'm like, oh.
So right now, this bottom line that I put for this flag has acted as support each time we hit it. So I'm waiting for the price to break through there with follow through for me to jump in on it. Morning, sir. 315 on that trade. I'll take that. Rotating to the next one. This week, you'll see me trying to take smaller trades. Well, smaller profits at least. Because I'm working on getting a payout from 2 of the prop firms currently. Trying to get one of the biggest ones I've taken yet. So the small profits each and every day, that's what makes this work.
We're gonna waterfall, baby.
I'm waiting for the waterfall. Want to see us go up and touch that VWAP real quick, get rejected off of that, and then possibly keep going down here. We have a pivot point at the 319 level. 319 for a pivot point. We hit that VWAP once again. Want to see if that's going to act as... Oh, we pushed right through it there. So holding off right now for another trade. Want to see what we get. There's no rush. It's only 9:39. So I want to see if we could get a flag on this 5 minute as well. So just waiting to see what we get. Good morning, Matt.
Good morning, bud. Sorry, I got out the gym a little late.
You're good, man. You're good. Glad you could join.
Yes, sir. How's everybody's morning going?
Everyone is living the dream so far.
As I love to hear. Anybody make any money this morning so far?
Only up so far 319 so far for the day.
Listen, it takes me a lot of hours to make that, so.
So still got to trade 4 to 5 more funded accounts. So
Okay.
one at a time here.
Awesome.
So we're above the VWAP, above that close from yesterday. I want a flag. I need a flag right now. If not, I'll be waiting until the 9:45 to execute the next trade here. Sellers are trying to step in, but I want to see us get below that VWAP again.
Where's the VWAP?
VWAP is currently at, let me pull it up.
87.
387.
That was weird yesterday that they were different.
Yeah.
Kind of when stuff like that happens, I wonder if I'm like, got the right data. It's like, wow.
It could have been my trading view, or
Yeah.
who knows? Who knows? Looks like we're getting a bear flag right there. With the momentum, I'll probably take it here. As long as we keep pushing down.
295.
Good job. Waiting for the follow through here before jumping in. Those buyers stepped right in and pushed that price right back up there. So that's why I did not take it right when I set it for a bear flag. I want to see follow through.
I want to see this 15 close below the VWAP.
We should. The bears are trying to push it down, so we should close below that VWAP. But we'll see. We'll see. Look how tight these candles are right there. No clear winner yet. We do have news at 10 o'clock. Want to see some good follow through. All right, yesterday's close, we just tapped once again, bounced right off of it. Being patient, being patient. Easier said than done. Want to push away from this VWAP, either above it or below it. I don't care. Just to get away from it. Bulls aren't giving up yet.
Yeah, it's doing a little bit of everything.
Yep. Yeah, probably just going to wait till that 9:45 if it keeps chopping right here. This is not action you want to be jumping in on. Let's see if we get a bear flag on the 5 minute. That would be the perfect flag on the 5 minute. If we could get a bear flag over there. The fight is real right now. Patiently waiting. 9:45 just hit. We have news at 10 o'clock, so keep that in mind. Bar timer disabled since you're currently disconnected. Hold
On your Ninja Trader,
on. Yeah.
it's been saying like disconnect, like you've been disconnected.
I'm trading. I have 3 prop firms pulled up, so I still have the data feed going. I gotta see which one disconnected. Because those bar timers are important.
Going down.
Still not showing yet, so don't want to miss out on this move.
Right.
If they're going to keep chopping. Let me see. Just disconnected from all of them. So now I have to add them one by one to see which one is the issue. All right, timer's working on this one. As long as it's working on one of them, that's all I care about. What did I miss? Oh, okay, absolutely nothing. We're still in the same spot. So. All right, cool. It's super tight right here. That's why don't jump in yet. Super tight. Want to see us get through the VWAP, get through the close from yesterday. All right, just went through both of those that quick. Alrighty.
You want to make sure that it's not rebounding.
Yep. Cutting that one. Don't like that push back up. We rebounded. We broke out of that 15. I wasn't looking at the 15-minute range right there. Let me rotate to my next one for right now. Come back to this one after. Instant bounce off the low of the 15-minute range right there. I was expecting follow through, but we did not get the follow through. Look at those wicks on that 5-minute. So buyers definitely trying to step in hard. 465 on that account. Rotating to the next one.
$4.15.
Awesome. Good job.
I'm already up like 700 today.
That's amazing. Don't get greedy today.
Nah, I need 300 more.
Wrong answer, sir. Wrong answer.
Right though. I had to unmute myself for that one.
It's like having pasta without the sauce, you know? Come on now.
You got to.
Yo, if this, no, never mind. Forget it. Hey, Duane, you say I gotta get 2100, right?
Yeah.
12.15.
Yep.
Oh, okay, that's easy. I'm like $85 away.
Oh, that's awesome. Did not get the action right there. Look at that candle. Jesus. That's aggravating. Let me flip this account. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range. We're in the middle of the 15-minute range here.
Consolidation.
Yep. We may be getting a bear flag right here.
Dang.
Oh, it was on me. Well, just took a trade on that one. Quick 105. Let me rotate. Let's clean this one out. Yep, through the VWAP right there. Bounce off the close from yesterday. Let's see if we get another bear flag.
By the way, no more second cups of coffee because yesterday I was fucking jittery all day. I was nervous on the charts and then nervous at work.
Maybe we all were feeling it because I was feeling anxious all day yesterday when we were on the charts.
Yeah, but you don't have a razor to somebody's head.
Yeah, definitely not.
Hey, Moose, did you mess up somebody's fade yesterday? Oh, it's a lightning bolt, sucker.
One time, listen, it's not good for my reputation, but I clipped off the mustache to the connecting goatee, like right in the corner.
That's
and
crazy.
I was like, oh, that was you don't grow hair there? Like I was like, bro, come on, bro, my bad.
Yeah, that would have been a whole fight.
Like it looks like you lost that.
Like someone's eyebrows.
Fight.
Like someone's eyebrows.
Oh.
Don't make me beat you up. What was it? Don't make me hurt you.
Yeah, that was wild. We're starting to come down here. Let's see if we break out of this 15-minute range. Right here at yesterday's close, we've been bouncing this area every time we come down here. But look at that flag on the 5-minute. Look at that bear flag on that 5-minute.
Yep. Incredible. That's the best 5-minute flag I've seen in a little while.
Yep. I just want to get out of this chop zone down here because every time we come down here, we get buyers bringing the price right back up.
Yeah. I
just want to see the follow through.
At this point, we got the news on our doorstep too.
Yep. 10 o'clock.
Well, maybe the news will punt it out of here. That can help us out.
That'd be good.
It's like I see exactly what you're saying on the chart. It's just chopping.
If we break out of the 15-minute range to the low side, first target would be 338. 338. But we gotta get out of this chop zone. So.
Oh yeah.
Oof. News is out. News is out.
I can tell.
Let that news settle.
Yeah, like woke it up and then it went right back to the chop zone. There's like a lot of pressure to keep it right there.
Yeah.
Yep, just like the market's going up today. Like it. $400. Come on. Let's go to 420.
Let's see what we get. We'll see. That news came out, so I'm not trusting it just yet. We're above the middle of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we start pushing up and out of this 15-minute range to the upside. I would prefer a flag, but that's just me. Can't always get what you want sometimes. Patiently waiting.
There's like a trend line on one of my charts, and it's like keeps tapping it and going away. Like
Yeah.
428, excuse me.
Okay.
It's like I think it's that one with the VWAP where it puts all those extra lines. On that chart, I didn't take it out because it's on my primary chart, but literally riding that.
Yep, just waiting. Just waiting. Look at that jump right there.
Oh,
Crazy,
yeah.
crazy, crazy, crazy. We popped out of the 15-minute range, came right back into it. Let's see if we start breaking to the upside here. Let's see if we retest the high of that 15-minute range. Those first breakouts are normally just to trap people because people go long right away and then it pulls right back like it just did right there. So now let's look for the move. Let's see if we print a red candle right here. Want to see a bull flag. The fight is real right now. The Bulls want to push out, but the Bears are not letting them win. So let's see what we get. Let's see if we build out a nice bull flag right here on this 5-minute chart. Looking for a nice bull flag. Getting rejected again at the high of the 15-minute range right there. Patience, patience. Got rejected once again. The bears are trying to force this price down.
Looks like see that bear, that bull trying to form. Like a bull flag.
All right. We cleared out that wick from the previous candle.
All right, that's a good 300 right there.
We'll take that. Good job, sir. Tried closing at the high right there, but I made like a couple dollars on that. I was trying to clean this one up, but did not get the close where I wanted it. Let's see if we build out another bull flag above the 15-minute range now.
Did another bull flag?
Let's see if we build out a bull flag.
All right.
Waiting for this 2-minute candle to close. 30 seconds left on it.
Same with the 5-minute.
Yep. And the 1 minute. They're all synced currently.
Well, the 1 minute's a redundancy at that point.
Bear stepping in once again. Just got pushed right back into that 15-minute range. With the bears trying to win, let's see if we get an actual bear flag. But that 5 minute, that's a complete bull flag right there. So want to see this bull flag play out. Those bears. Look at that selling pressure on those wicks. Bears trying to win this one.
Waterfall, baby, come on.
I'll take a waterfall.
Oh, now we're going back to the EMA.
Question: what do you mean by "I'll take a waterfall"? What does that mean?
It's just a phrase that we say if the market's going to come down, let it come down like a waterfall. Just cleaned up right there.
Gotcha.
Only down $500 now on this account.
Is that gonna come? We're hitting a VWAP, baby. Come on.
We'll take a VWAP touch.
Yo, mine just froze for a second. What's going on? Oh, wow.
Talk to me, G Money. How you doing?
All right, all right.
Only down $150 now on this one. Let's see if I can clean up a little bit more. We tapped that VWAP. That's why I'm holding before going into another short.
Yeah.
While the market's coming down here.
We got that low below it. Oh my God! My ex-wife owes me money. Pay the man.
Let's see what we get here. That was a massive candle.
Right.
And that bear flag definitely played out. But what does the market always do? It always repeats itself. So let's see if we get another bear flag. Let's see if we get a little push up right here. That's what I want. Slight push up for us to keep coming down here. Buyers are trying to step in. We got those wicks.
Oh yeah. Hey, so Duane, are you waiting until it goes through the low before you jump back in? Kind of like test that and go through a couple of times?
I'm eager to take another quick scalp for a short. I'm just waiting to see if we build another bear flag. That's what I want to see. I want to see a bear flag.
Once you see that print, that's when you make your move.
Only if it has to follow through with the momentum.
With the momentum. Gotcha.
So here's the push up. This is what I want to see.
Oh, here's my track.
I love it. I love it. You guys said that in sync.
This is his favorite part of this playlist. This song right here.
This is the reason I show up every day.
It's slightly on the uptrend.
Adding the lyrics now.
All right, so pushing back up, that's what I wanted to happen. But now I want to see if we're going to start coming back down through the yellow line. Through the yellow line.
Through the yellow.
So
Yeah,
once it goes through that yellow line, that's when you jump in?
As long as there's the follow through, yes.
Okay.
Gotta have follow through.
Yeah, because sometimes they'll test that line and jump right back.
At the VWAP.
Look at that 5 minute. That's
Yep.
awesome.
I want to see the next candle, hopefully red, to take us
I'm
down.
spelling berry. What's that bear flag? The brand. Patience.
Yeah, patience. That's the hardest part about this, patience. Especially when you're excited to trade, jump in, because for us, jump in is making money. So we get excited because we want to make more money, but we have to calm ourselves down, breathe a little bit, wait for the move to happen. I'm not stressing this 1 minute chart right now. Looking at the 5 minute, looking at that higher time frame.
Yeah, I find like sometimes there's times I'll get more transfixed on that 1 minute, and it just got so much noise. It's like, it's like you got to step back and look at the other ones.
Yep, have to.
But that one's the most exciting. Okay, I'm gonna hit it real quick. Sometime.
The 1 minute's exciting because you see all the movement.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we retrace this candle on the 5 minute. If so, no longer looking for a bear flag. That's for sure.
I'm too old for roller coasters. All right, I don't need nothing exciting.
Oh, no.
All right, breaking out that 15-minute range once again. This thing is moving. Popped out of the 15-minute range, right back into it. Bull's trying to step in hard here.
Go up, go up. Ooh.
Wanted that follow through. Did not get the follow through right there. Just waiting, holding. Finger on the trigger, ready to close it if we don't start pushing more.
Going up, baby. Going up, baby. Come on.
I'll take that. Done trading this account for the day. Just cleaned up this one from 1,300 in the hole to 255 in the profit. So done on this one. Rotating to the next one I gotta clean up because I held a loser for too long. Let's clean this one up. And just patiently waiting.
I was in that same one.
Yeah.
I was in that same one.
Didn't get the follow through. I saw a green on it on the trade. Didn't close it. That's my own fault. Instantly dropped. But it is what it is. Want to see us build out a bull flag. Let's see if we get a flag right here. Bear stepping in. Bear stepping in.
Yeah, man. At that 5 minutes. Like,
I want this 5 minute. I want this candle to actually come down to the bottom of where it just was at.
right.
To stay red. I want a bull flag. I want to see a bull flag. Fire stepping in. We got this wick on the candle.
Hold up, man. Goes over that. Oh,
I just got to work, you guys. So I will talk to y'all later. Have a good day. Make a lot of money.
Have a
You
good
an
one.
amazing day soon.
You too.
too.
Literally, I'll be on tomorrow.
All right, see you
rock and
then.
roll.
Okay, bye, gentlemen.
Bye. Do, 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 do.
Adios.
Just waiting here. Just waiting. Let's see if we get some more structure to this flag right here. Let's see. I feel like that high wants to get touched again for the session, but I want to see some quick follow through. It wants to push. The bulls want to push here.
If we break through here, then what is our next target, would you say?
Let me close that real quick so I can look.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. You're good. Next target right now would be 470. That's the first target I'm looking for.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry to mess with your trade.
No, you're good. I couldn't look at the target and look at this screen at the same time. That's why I'll just close. Yeah, I wish I didn't close, but it is what it is. There's plenty of time. That's the best part about this.
Okay, I need to figure out what's going on with my chart trader because I moved it to another chart and I was going to put it back on the VWAP line or the Renko, and it was like it's trading in micros. So
You just need to switch it top left over here, where it says it should say NQ.
Yeah, I did. It shows that it's trading normal, but it's like going up in 50-cent increments. So
Yeah,
I don't know if it's because it has like two chart traders, like it's still seeing the old one. So I went back to the old one. I'll try it when it's not like we're not in a session. I got creative and now I'm like trying to get I was just trying to move it around for my glasses to have it on a different plane, and now I wish I never did it.
Let's see if we get another bull flag. I would prefer this candle to stay red so the next one could push us through. Big drop down right there. Sellers stepping in hard. If it wants a waterfall, I'm down for another waterfall. Let's with that wick like that, or that candle, makes me I'm like torn in the middle right now. I can see a potential bear flag building out, but looking at my 2 minute, could be trying to do a bull flag. Need to see some good momentum. Yeah, on the 1 minute, that's looking like a bull bear flag.
Yeah, 1 minute, 2 minute are kind of hinting that, but then the 5 minute shows a different story. We are above the VWAP, so in theory, it should be like favoring if it's A++, bull.
Yeah. Sellers step in here. We may be coming back down, boys. Unbelievable. I'm just messing up this Tradify account today. I'm done trading that one. I'm gonna have to trade my other account. I'm not feeling that. That's just wild. That's aggravated.
I do like your fireplace. I was only asking if it was a disco fireplace, but I do want to apologize to you. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. That thing is cool, man.
Oh, you didn't hurt my feelings whatsoever. Let's see here.
I just appreciate you. Thank you for taking the time.
Oh no, you're good, Steve.
No, man, you gotta understand something. In this world, that you're rare. You know, it's amazing.
I'm trying. I'm trying for the team, man. I'm trying.
You're doing. Hey, I just got a rollover notification for the expiry since it's going to be obviously this one's ending on the 25th and it goes to the 24th. So I clicked yes.
When is it trying to have you roll over?
Well, just saying because our fund is it's going to the NQ on this, the NQ 1224. So do I click yes? I don't want to mess anything up.
I wouldn't roll over yet. I'm surprised they're asking this early. It's only September 3rd.
I'm just here to give you the questions you don't get anywhere else. You're welcome. Okay, it went away, so we'll see what happens. So we're near that high, like 472.
Yep. Bear with me, gentlemen. Trying to get something situated.
Now we're breaking out of there. What do you think? There's a trend line right above it on that one chart. I don't know which one that's called. Just
if we keep going up, the target would be 503. 503 for the target.
womp, womp, womp. Hey, by the way, I saw your the barbecue post you did. Not bad, not bad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Had to throw some steaks on the grill.
And you know that's coming from like my barbecue post I showed you, so I'm showing respect, man.
No, it was good. I gotta say, my tomahawk did not taste as good as the one I had at the Eye.
That's all prep, baby.
Like that Eye one was hit different. It hit different.
Well, that was a beautiful cut, man. Jeez. Where did you get your tomahawk from? That one farmer's market?
No, we got that one from Sam's.
Oh, Sam's. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, they got a good cut of meat there, man. Oof.
We like going to Fresh Fields.
Yeah, Freshfield.
Like we like going there. Their stuff there is really, really good. Really fresh. Just better quality. Let's see if we get a flag. see here. We got selling pressure starting to step in here. We got those wicks on top of those candles. Probably going to pull back to at least 470. At least 470 for a pullback. I want to see a little bit more pullback, honestly, to build out another bull flag. But that's just what I want. A little bit more pullback makes the move stronger.
Well, you have like a baby bull on that 1 minute. You got a red hyphen on the 2 minute.
Yep.
Gonna be coming up on that whole number if we play our cards right.
Yep. That 503 level was the target. 503 for the next target here. We do have that whole number coming up. So be careful, be cautious. We know the market moves crazy around those whole numbers. So
It just sent me another auto rollover notification. If I said yes, am I going to be trading the same chart as you or no?
you should be, as long as it's still for September.
Well, it says name NQ current expiry 12/24, new expiry 9/25 update.
Yeah, as long as it says 925, that's the one you should be trading.
Okay, I just want to make sure that I don't like get off on some other weird thing. You're like, there's a bear flag. No, there's not.
Hey Steve,
Yo.
getting those notifications on Ninja Trader?
Yes, sir. I'll take a picture of it.
Through the whole number right there. Let's see if we keep pushing. 903 was the target, and we did hit that 903 or 503.
903. I hope you did good on that.
Hey, We wouldn't be trading right now if it was 903. I'll tell you that.
Be like, I'm going to buy my new Cadillac and my boat, sucker.
Same day. Same day.
And I'm gonna have it repainted so it all matches.
Let's see if we get another bull flag. Market's been going up since the overnight session.
I do want to step in.
I want to see a nice bull flag. If we get a bull flag on the 1 minute and the 2 minute, even if we get one on the 5 minute too, that would be an A++ setup. $30 more seconds on the 2 minute. I want the bears to hold this price right here for this candle to close on my 2 minute chart. Doesn't look like they're going to hold it. Bulls want to push. Well, I want this candle to close red on my 2 minute.
How much seconds is it? It's going to close red.
5 seconds.
Close red?
Yep.
Well, it's on its way down.
Well, just waiting for the flag portion. All this is structure. One more minute on this candle here. Just holding and waiting.
Holding and waiting, anticipating.
Bull stepping in here.
I did put a picture of that like in the group under discussion so we could see it. I was able to snap it. I don't want to be the guinea pig, man.
Yeah, you're supposed to be trading the 925 contracts currently.
Yeah, and that's what I'm doing. Except when I tried a new chart trader, it seemed like I was trading micros because it's going up in quarters and 50 cents. I'm like, breaking through, is it testing it or what?
We should be pushing through here. I jumped in. I want a rocket ship right now. That's what I want. I want a rocket ship.
I think
Take
we
me
all
to the
want a rocket
moon.
ship. To the moon.
I want the moon, not a waterfall.
Two disparate things. That should be a T-shirt. I want the moon, not a waterfall. People are like, what are you talking about? Like legacy wealth. It's a way of life.
Come on, rocket ship. Come on, little rocket. I closed it. I didn't have the stomach. I didn't have the stomach to wait. But I may re-enter if we get some good momentum here.
Yeah,
I don't like the slowness.
Well, I started seeing the bars like tic-tacking again. They always look different on my Renkos than yours, but...
$10.50, $10.50.
Hey, so how was the beach yesterday?
We did not go. Sadly, we didn't go. I heard that, G.
G. You know, she speaks different to you. To me, it's like a robot. Where it's like, yo, G, I got your order filled. It's like, okay, what's up with that? How's it? That one day, he's like, I don't take any trades. Order filled.
That was hilarious that day.
I'm on the sim. I'm on the sim. Oh, we did that little drop. Then it went back up.
What are we gonna get here? I want an A++ setup right now.
I think we all do.
You know, that's all I want. I want either a rocket ship or or a waterfall. That's it. That's all I want. That's all I want. Nothing crazy.
have been 1800 right there. Oh my goodness. Just practice it. Just practice it.
Makes perfect, baby.
Right.
Alrighty. Let's see if we actually get a bear flag. I said that the last time, then the market went up, so be careful. The last time I said, let's see if we get a bear flag.
Yeah,
That thing just ripped.
Yeah, nobody is here except nobody can read. That you're not a robot, but you roll with it and you adapt. Except for not going to the beach. That's kind of disappointing.
I was ready to break in my new lounge chairs for the beach.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You were talking about them. I'm like, man, that's got to be like a deluxe setup. He's gonna be chilling.
I'm getting ready to get a new tent for out there as well, but I'm getting it a Legacy Wealth Society tent. So I'm excited about that. Going to have the QR code on. Some people driving by can scan it, see what we're doing. We got these wicks on these candles right here on that 5 minute. So buyers are stepping in and been trying to step in. Let's see if the bears could start forcing the price down. Go back down, test that 370 level or 470. I saw the 3 and skipped over the 4. That's crazy.
Yeah, you're really looking for a waterfall.
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. Four minutes to 11, 4 minutes.
Like a bear flag should print. Isn't that on 2 minutes?
Yeah, I'm looking at that 2 minute as well.
Like the 5 minute is like a full blown bull flag. The 2 minute, or the 5 minutes is like a bull flag, and the 2 minute looks like a bear flag.
I just don't like these wicks on these candles. Those buying wicks keeping me from going short.
Yeah. That is a pretty long wick on that. Thank you for that instruction you gave on the candles. It really just kind of, you clarified it so much.
Well, it's a key factor. Those wicks let you know exactly what's going on.
It was the way you explained it. Anybody could read that, but the way you explained it.
Well, what can I say? I'm getting better each and every day on these streams, so we'll take it.
You said I need to touch up on my jokes, so I gotta start studying there.
Yeah, on the 2 minute chart, getting a complete bear flag.
Yeah, and then you look at the 5 minute chart, and it's like contradictory.
Yep, that's why I'm waiting, because we only have 1:30 left on that one. So both of those candles, the 5 minute and the 2 minute chart, will be closing together.
Yes.
So that's all I'm waiting for currently. I feel like we're going to be getting a really good bear flag here. Just waiting for these candles to close, because this is the perfect on the 1 minute and on the 2 minute as well. Let's switch over to this one. That's like a perfect bear flag right there. All right, well, that flag's not playing out yet. It is officially 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Want to break through that yellow line. We break through that yellow line, then I'll feel a little bit more confident on taking a short here. Only with follow through. Gotta have the follow through. No follow through as of yet. That's why I didn't pull the trigger. Want to see follow through.
Getting around that whole number in a second.
Closed out because that whole number was coming. Didn't want it bouncing off of that. So I closed, waiting for another opportunity here. Want to get below that 500 level to take another short. But this is why I got out right there. The fact that it bounced, going right back up off that whole number.
Yeah, I wasn't watching, but I was just watching that and saying more for myself because, like, getting it in my soul.
It sneaks up on us, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah,
those whole numbers creep up without you realizing.
Well, yeah, because it's like, you start getting like, it's like anything else. If you're not actively like refreshing your mind, you're get stuck on an indicator or looking for a flag, and and you're not thinking about things like where it is in the 15-minute range or a whole number. So it's like I gotta okay, as I'm ready to go, let me just do that real quick look.
But on the 15 minutes, it's looking like a bull.
Pulled up the 15 right there. That's not much of a flag.
Not much yet.
So we're gonna have to wait to see. We would need some structure on that to build out a bull flag.
Gonna touch that 525.
That's the high for today so far.
Oh, gotta go back up there.
He's got a plan.
I personally feel like we're coming down. Looking at the 2 minute, that's a perfect bear flag, and it's continuing to add structure to it.
And then we also have that once it breaks through that whole number, we also have that EMA that's right there that kind of help like pull it to it.
Yeah. Want to get below that 500 level so I can execute another short.
Yeah, you definitely need to get past that 500.
It wants it. It needs it. I want the waterfall.
We want to have, we need to have sanctity.
Still getting stalled in this area right here. Want the follow through because once we break through that 500 level, we're going to hit 90 very quickly, I feel. Hit that 500 again. Bounce right off of it.
It's like it's listening to you right now. No, he won't. It's like he knows it.
I'm just looking at this 5 minute right there as well. Very, very tight. Very, very tight.
On the 5 minute?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so tight in this area. We need to move in either direction right now. Just to get away from this 500 level. But we need some good momentum.
My 2-minute flag is hilarious. Just like it's just sitting in there in between the lines.
Oh, it wants to break. It wants to break. These bulls are just holding it. Once they quit, I say we're going to go down and hit that 470.
What? That low?
That was awesome.
Not trying to have any shock here, but if we break below that 500, that 70 level is going to be a target. But we got to get below this 500 first.
I was thinking about it. 40,
There's that 500.
Bounce up a little bit.
Yep. We need the full follow through.
So just tested the waters.
I think we're gonna see a little consolidation here too.
$4.99. There's the follow through I was waiting for.
Ooh.
Let's keep it going down.
Oh, let's go. Some bulls, man.
They're trying to hold this price up.
But they won't. Oh, let's go down.
at that whole number again. This is where I don't like being in trades. I should have closed out in the green. I'm getting ready to kill this one here in a second if we keep moving up.
Waterfall it. No, that's the wrong way, baby.
Real tight in this area, like it's been. Tons of selling pressure right now. Tons of selling pressure. Want to break that 500. Let's get that follow through straight through here. I want to see us go straight through it without the bounce. I don't want to bounce here. Should get the follow through right in here in this level. Here comes the waterfall. I'm feeling waterfall right now.
Hey, gee, will you sing the waterfall song like only you do?
Let's see if we build out another bear flag right here.
I'd like to see a bear flag at this point. Seriously.
You and me both. You and me both. Got out of that trade.
Because, I mean, it's starting to bounce. So it's like, let's get some consolidation. Let's get some worthwhile momentum. Let's make this.
Yeah. Probably got another stay on till 11:30. Your boy's been up since like 5 o'clock. Hit the gym this morning.
Hey, your boy, right here, has been up since like 4:20.
Well, congratulations, sir. I'm sleeping at that time. I'm not trying to be up at no 4:20.
Well,
Just
I wasn't
saying.
trying to be up either, but you know, my wife, she started like a new like position, so I just like we're just chilling out in the morning, just getting some time.
Okay.
Those little things you do for the ones you love.
I understand that one.
Hour around the EMA, so this will be interesting.
Yep. We
Just kinda-
lose that EMAs. It's going to be heading down to that 470 level. The Bears want to take it lower. The Bears want lower.
Low it. Oh, how low can you go?
It wants a waterfall.
Come on, waterfall, not a trickle.
Oh man, that's awesome.
We ain't here for the trickle, yo.
Is it going low or just still going?
Close that one. I feel we're below that EMA. I want a flag. We had a small flag on that 1 minute right there.
Well,
I
the
want
2 minute, right? To 2 minute, we had that one little touch in the EMA bull flag, right?
Yep. I want to see if we get another flag here. Because that 5 minute looks like we're just rolling over here.
Yeah. Come on, roll it, baby.
Yeah, come on. You can do it.
You can do it. That was from the water boy. That was a pretty hilarious
Is
movie.
it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? .482 to 83 range.
I'm getting ready to kill this one and re-enter. Jumped in a candle early.
About to get out that one.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to shut it down here in a second. Just trying to see if the bears are going to have the push through.
Five-minute flag is about to close.
Don't do that. Click the wrong button there for a second.
I did that yesterday where I closed out a trade and immediately jumped back in going the other direction.
That's the worst. When you actually
Like, wait a whoa. That one happened so fast I just hit the close button just so it just like turn it off.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I didn't want to hit the wrong button again.
All right, getting a bear flag on the 2 minute, bear flag on the 2 minute. Want the bears to follow through here. I would greatly appreciate it. If not, I'll kill the trade. That's why I was saying I got in a candle early. Should be rolling over right here.
Come on, Bessie. Come on, Bessie. Ah.
Looking at the 2 minute, want to get another bear flag because we're just getting small bear flags.
Well, there's a trend line on my chart that it's hovering at right now at 471. Kind of it kind of is splitting the two 2 minute candles, and it's like now it's kind of topping at that. No,
Okay.
It stopped at it. Come on, waterfall.
Let me actually switch over. Actually, no. Hey, G, remember when I said we gotta go down and touch that 470?
Yeah, exactly. Look. I'm looking right at that.
Not saying I called it, but
Yes, you did.
You
Yes, you
did.
did. Yes, you did.
And Steve got eyes
did
too.
call
I
it.
saw it too. I figured you were done with all my compliments, so I didn't need to give you another one.
Imagine if we were just patient. Oh my gosh, boy.
but look, we've literally had the market always repeats itself. We've had 1, 2, 3 bear flags. If I'm seeing bear flags printing consistently, I'm not going to go long whatsoever.
Yeah,
Because now the target will be the high of the 15-minute range. 437.
Oh,
That's
damn,
the next target. So right here, it's popping up. We want to go in an upward direction for that bear flag. Hit that 470, which was the target earlier when we were going up.
Right.
So I want to see if we use that as resistance now, tapping that, keep us going down.
Oh, here it goes again.
Dun, dun.
Keep going down, baby. And it did exactly that. Touch that once, that 70, and then going right back down. I might consolidate back up though.
Come on, baby. Let's waterfall. Let's waterfall. I need a waterfall. I like waterfalls. I want to feel like I'm in like a tropical place. Give me a waterfall, baby. Come on. Almost there. A little bit more, please. Please. Come on. You can do it. I know you want to keep going. Let's go touch that high of that 15-minute range. Let's go. It's so close. We got to touch it. Come on. Come on, Betsy. You can do it, Betsy. Come on. Come on, Betsy. I'm like holding, I don't know why I'm holding the wall right now. You know what I'm saying? Trying to keep myself in this trade. I just realized what I was doing. I'm like, what? Why am I holding the wall right now?
I think it's gonna do another dip. Let's see.
You moved your desk over one day and you're like, why is there a big like mark in the wall? Because you keep grabbing it in the same place just so you don't realize it.
All right, now let's get us another bear flag. Let's push up here. I closed that trade. If the market's going to just keep printing, well, you might as well keep making money off of it.
Oh, keep going down, baby. Keep going down. What?
I closed out of that one only because we just tapped the high of that 15-minute range.
It's still going down.
It's going, but it hesitated right when we touched it.
Right,
So let's see if it pops up just slightly to give us another flag. But the market is definitely rolling over. Because what's the market do? It moves in waves.
Yeah.
So we got to the peak, and now we're coming back down.
And that VWAP is right there.
That it is. That it is. And since that VWAP's right there, I jumped back in here because that VWAP wants to get touched. Alrighty, we'll take that. Just tap that VWAP. Let's see if we're going to have enough momentum to go through it here.
Or maybe it'll consolidate, give us another flag, and then show us what a waterfall really is.
Oh, it's been waterfalling. Steve, it's been waterfalling here.
I know, but I'm talking about the one where you make that face at the camera. You can't even believe it.
Nah, the funny part was how Duane was holding the wall.
I didn't even realize I was doing that. That's the craziest part. Like I was like trying to hold myself in the trade, like trying to get more support.
Oh my goodness. I tell you, you're gonna be like, what happened to that wall? And it's like because you keep grabbing it in the same spot.
Let's see if we get a push up here. We're sitting on top of this VWAP right now.
Damn.
Couple more minutes, I'm gonna be getting off. Maybe go back to the gym for a 2-a-day. It sounded good when I just said it, but it ain't happening. It sounded good. Like I said, I'm like, man, that's. But you know what? No, I'm good. I'm good. Actually.
Hey, you gotta give your time to rest.
All right, let's see if we push through the VWAP. Pushing through the VWAP now. Just an absolute ripper today. Bulls trying to step in, but the Bears are saying not today. They said we want to go lower.
Lower. Come on, baby.
I'm just listening. Y'all got me cracking up.
Let's see if we tap that VWAP. All right, we just tapped it. Instant rejection. That's what why I wasn't closing it as of yet.
Whoa, let's go back down, baby. Oh.
All the way down. Get down to the real nitty gritty in a second.
As soon as it touched it, that thing went pew. Little consolidation, I see.
Yep. Yep, another bear flag printing on the 2-minute. Even on the 1 minute, got that bear flag printing. Just waiting for this one to play out.
Woohoo! Yeah, come on, let's go.
It got some more. It wants more than that.
Ooh, come on, you gotta go down. Come on, let's go down to it. Wait till when that new candle forms. We'll see. I wanted to stay in red.
Just tap that VWAP once again. If the VWAP doesn't keep it down, I'll close out. Yep, close that.
Does it say like rents due and there's like a cow skull on your shirt?
Yep, that's what the shirt says. Rents due. That's the Rock's little icon.
Okay, I wasn't sure. I mean, I was just like, I didn't know if you were getting into urban cowboy stuff.
Nope, not getting into that. Not getting into that.
There's a real ugly part of history, like where John Travolta traded his polyester for like the mechanic bull, but I don't want to talk about it. Are you gonna go back to your chart, or should we just look at you looking at your stuff?
I was adding up my total for the day. With my big loss for the day, I went down an account almost $4,000, but across my other accounts I'm up pretty much $5,000, 4,900. So today's like tomato. We made money, but it is what it is. But I think I'm gonna be getting off here, gentlemen. Been a pleasure today.
You have this flag for you. Did you want to see what happens?
No, but we got that on the 5 minute. What I'd be looking for would be a bear flag on the 5 minute. That's what I personally will be looking for.
You said what? Repeat that.
On the 5 minute chart, I'd be looking for a bear flag.
Okay.
With this slight push up right here, I'll be waiting to see if we break down below this candle right here. Because that push up, that doesn't really do anything for me. That's just letting me know that bull stepped in. But with the wick on top, that means sellers are still trying to push down. Because there's no bottom wick.
Yeah.
And right here on the 1 minute, that's a big bear flag on that 1 minute. On the 2 minute, has a bear flag. So let's see. Let me rotate to is this the 150K account? I got too many accounts.
Question for you. How many paid accounts do you have, if you don't mind me asking?
Only a couple.
Boy, listen. Matt.
I have 5 paid accounts.
Uh-huh.
Only 5.
Only 5. What about you guys? And how many accounts have you been through is the next question.
How many accounts have I been through?
All of y'all. I want to hear testimonies.
Well, for me, I've been through a lot of accounts.
Because you trial and error.
Trial and errors, but like right now I have one account, the one I lost the $4,000 in. That was one of my funded accounts, sadly. Sorry, babe, I know she can hear me right now. So in that funded account,
I'm acting like I'm not listening.
Yeah, she's like, I don't know who this is.
yeah, just close your ears, baby. Close your ears, all right?
I don't know who this is. Sorry, y'all don't know, I'm her nail tech, by the way.
That's right.
So
Y'all have ladies.
Yeah, if you have a lady in Orlando, I got you.
Is that from
Anyway.
YouTube?
What was that?
Who was that talking?
That's Matt.
I'm Matt, and Dwayne's wife is here to get her nails done.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, I'm doing her nails right now. Anyway.
So
I thought Dwayne's wife had like you on speed dial all of a sudden.
Yeah.
She's giving me
That would be awkward.
on every single one of y'all. No, I'm just kidding.
But even with like right now, I have like $200 of drawdown for the account I messed up today. So I just count that as a blown account because $200 is nothing for drawdown. So I would have had 6 paid accounts before that whole fiasco on that one. But I've burned through a good majority of accounts. But ever since each month, I've continued to get better at this, being real. Where I want to say, hit my stride.
Good.
Right before I started the community. That's when I really hit my stride. And the community's helped me where it keeps me honest. Where I don't take certain traits because I know people are watching.
You gotta be a good example.
Exactly.
That's genius, yeah.
So it keeps me...
Just like the gym. I have people that I'm like, I can't not go because they come with me every day. It keeps you accountable and motivated.
Yeah. So I burned through quite a bit of the trial and error trying to figure out what works, but everything switched for me once I stopped thinking about these accounts as like fake money, if that makes sense. Once I made it connect where it's like, this is real money, that's when everything really got dialed in for me. And I know like he's had a funded account, but this happens like guaranteed most people are going to blow their first funded account.
And is that like a real big like loss or like blow, or is it just something you gotta like, oh well, it happened? And...
No, not really. You could just pretty much you can start over. That's the good thing. So
like guaranteed, you're always finding some like you're there's no way that they're like, oh, we saw this guy's name in there already. Like that's not how it works.
No. Like you can get as many accounts as you want. There's no limit to how many accounts you can get. And when it comes to blowing a funded account or blowing an eval, you just have to check yourself because 9 times out of 10, when you blow an account, it's because of something that you actually did. So like today, the trade that I messed up on, I broke one of my rules. That's why I lost even more money because I went to try cleaning it up.
What do you mean by cleaning it up?
So I went down $2,400 in the account.
Ooh.
And I'm like, okay, cool. I saw what the market was doing. I'm like, let me take some more trades to clean up the account to get it back closer to break even at least. But by me doing that, I started getting it down. I'm like, okay. Instead of quitting, I kept trading and I over traded on the account where I took another bad trade and that just wiped me on that account.
So how many will you start with just one, or you would like, would it be smart to like apply for 2 just to have the backup, or you should just wait until like that?
My recommendation is always start. You have to pay to get your eval, and then you use your eval once you're confident in your sim account.
Okay.
So you don't try passing the test until you're confident in trading. But once you're there, then you could switch between the two. So you can take some trades on your eval and some trades in your sim account. So you're still practicing on your sim, but some of your trades will actually count for your test.
Gotcha.
Without you blowing your eval and then have to buy another one to take just the test. Just going back and forth. That's why I rotate my account. I'm never putting at risk one account for the entire day.
Gotcha. All right, it's muted.
I'll remind myself to message you guys and be like, hey, because he just got a couple accounts for like, it was like $20.
And then just sit there until he needs it.
Yeah, but I think you have to do it within 30 days after purchasing it.
No.
I believe
Stop talking. I love you. Stop talking. I love you, but stop.
Oh shit! I thought I muted it.
No,
You did it. You did it, man. I'm listening.
How long do you have to trade the account?
No,
for
but I want you to know, she's been telling me, she's like, I'm the wrong person to
I
ask.
tell him all
She
the
tells
time.
me all the time.
After you purchase the eval account, how long do you have to take to trade it if you don't want to? If you want it to sit there?
if you want to sit there.
Yes.
Like as a backup.
Well,
That's what I'm.
the whole thing with getting the eval for you starting off, you have to do that so you can get the live data feed. So it's cheaper to buy an eval than paying the like $200 for the live data feed a month.
Say that
So-
one more time.
So by purchasing your evaluation account, you get the live data feed for the market.
Mm-hmm.
So if you were trying to do it on your own, say your own account, you're going to put your own money into it, you'll pay $200 a month on certain platforms just for the data feed.
Gotcha. Okay.
But that's
So
using your own money, right? That's what you said?
Yeah. So you're getting it for complete way cheaper than if you had your own funded account. And then even if you don't trade your eval for that month, the next month it is a subscription until you pass it. The next month you get hit for the like $40 for the next month, but you still have the live data feed.
Gotcha.
And even with that, you're still below the $200 for like the month for live data feed from like actual broker like Ninja Trader by themselves.
Okay.
So my recommendation always is in the sim account for at least a week, 2 weeks, and then we get that pass before that subscription comes around.
Now you're making sense. I understand.
You see why I don't answer these questions?
I'm glad you forgot to mute it.
She's like, don't ask me. She's like, I am the wrong one to ask. I try, but anyway, my bad. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna shut up now.
But the one thing about your funded accounts, for the very first funded account, when you get up in the account, you have to cut yourself off. That's the trick here, because this is all psychology. So if you go up in your funded account, you're like, man, that's real money. I'm excited. I want more. And when you start to over trade, that's when you blow your account.
Gotcha. So somebody get something that happen. Does that happen often?
Not for me. I don't over trade the accounts because I rotate them.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. That's what.
But for newer funded traders, they do tend to over trade because they're just excited because they're making money. But the whole goal is the prop firms make their money off of traders not having discipline. And we're in their system making money from them. So we have to don't do what all the other prop firm traders do. We have to have discipline because like with Tradeify, the one that you'll be getting, you have to trade your funded account for 7 days in order to get a payout.
You got that right. Look at
They're expecting a funded trader to mess up in those 7 days.
Mm-hmm.
And they will mess up. The majority, 93%, will mess up because they're not following rules and discipline and having a good strategy. So the whole key to success with this is breaking the mold and breaking psychology. Because even if you're up in your account for the day, it's better just to walk away, come back the next day. Because I always say this, not sure if you've heard it yet.
Oh yeah, I've heard it.
When you rob a bank, you're not sitting there waiting for the cops to come.
Mm-hmm.
You get out of there. Same with the markets. If you make $400, $200, $100, take your money, come back the next day.
You always say that, yeah.
Because I've been there. I've done it. I've over traded funded accounts. I've over traded evals. Like, I've done this for the past year. So I'm trying to help you guys not fall into the same pitfalls that I had walked through before knowing certain things.
And that's the beauty of paying for doing what you're doing, because to learn from somebody else's error versus you learning it yourself.
Exactly. And it's way more cost effective for you guys to learn from my mistakes, because not putting anyone on blast, Mr. G, I got
Well,
excited
I'm
for it. He was in one of his funded accounts. He was up for the day like $1,000. And I'm like, gee, you need to quit. Because mind you, I've been there, I've done it, I've seen it, and I felt it too. You know, he didn't quit.
Oh shit.
I kept going.
He
So
kept
what
going.
happened?
I got too hungry. Because literally on the first day on my funding account, I made close to over.
First day was $500. I was there.
Yeah,
Yeah, you were hooked.
Second day, $1,000.
1,000. Yeah.
He didn't want to listen. And we blew that funded account. No shame in it. I pretty much blew one of my funded accounts today. It is what it is. Definitely disappointed.
How easy is it to blow the funded account?
Oh, quick. Real quick.
I can show you.
Real fast. Listen, it could be good, really good, and it could get really bad. So,
That's why we have to use the strategy, because at the end of the day, the market's moving. The market's moving completely. And at the end of the day with this, it's all about being able to make small profits each day consistently. Because blowing an account, I could take up my contract size right now, click the wrong button, and blow the account just like that.
Damn.
In seconds.
And they allow you to do just.
They're making money off of you blowing your accounts.
That's the whole point of the business model.
That's their business model, not ours.
Correct.
Because I'm showing you guys how to trade the proper way based off the strategy that I put together, because it works. It simply works. Like, I'm slightly disappointed with myself because I'll be completely transparent with you guys. I was shooting for this week on Friday to get a 6K payout.
No.
That's only one payout. Just a 6K payout this Friday. Where right now, since I messed up one of my accounts I was going to use for a payout, it's only down. It got brought down to like $4,000 for Friday, which is still really good money at the end of the day.
Yeah.
But now I'm like, okay, now I have to just refocus today, come in tomorrow, and not mess up anymore. Staying strict to my rules to get the 4K payout.
right.
You know, that's all this is. Like, it's easy to mess up with trading. Most people mess up with trading. But you guys aren't most people. And that's real.
Using your own money. So.
That's why you're learning from him. Because he'll keep you on track.
And I'm this. Like I told her today, I was telling your wife, when you say stop, I'm stopping. Like, I'm not even better than no money.
Listen, Matt, nothing but love for you. I hear what you're saying. You're not going to stop.
I'm still gonna do it.
You're not going to stop. How do I know that? Because I couldn't stop when I was first trading.
So that's big tap.
Like, I'm just being so I appreciate that, but let me help you get past this psychology stage for where you're currently at with trading. You're not going to stop. The whole thing about this is you gotta understand, the more you're in the market, the more you're at risk.
Yep.
So the goal is to be in the market as few times as possible per day. That's why for me, I take one top 2 trades a day per account.
That's what your wife was telling me, which I forgot that you could technically. Why don't do any of you guys continue past him? Do y'all like?
Yeah. I do. I admit it.
No, he said, yep.
Listen, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, and what
I'll
happened?
I'll look at some setups and I'll be like, oh my goodness.
Do you find yourself lost doing it without him?
No, he gives us the groundwork, but I mean the thing is like you got to realize everybody's experience can be individual throughout the day. So we might hit something, but we might feel a little hot, and you might see the setup. So he's giving us the basic tools. It's just like so. And then part of it is just like it's very easy to say I'm gonna be a robot, but it's like you're human, like you know what I mean. All of us. So within that, it's just like, it's like every day you grow with this, like no other thing.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Okay.
Each day you're literally sharpening your tools in your toolbox. Each day. That's why it's so important for people, if they're going to learn trading, they have to show up each day.
Each day, man.
That's the only way that you're actually going to learn at the end of the day with this.
Okay. Well, I'm excited.
This was an eval. I'm not trading my funded accounts, babe. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I wouldn't know what you were trading. That's why I don't answer questions.
She said,
I literally told him, I was like, but I wasn't muted. I was like, I really don't know. I
said, like, am I muted? But she's like, ask him.
Yeah, ask him. I don't know. I suck.
She got some stuff right though. I gotta give you that.
Yeah.
She got her stuff.
Basic questions.
What you're doing is working, sir.
Well, at the end of the day, for me, I know what trading can do for all of you because it's doing it for myself as well. You know what I'm saying? And I know trading's the best thing that anyone can actually learn if they learn the correct way. Most people aren't learning the correct way. That's why so many people fail at this.
Listen, not me, sir. Not I, said.
You can't just jump in on trades. You gotta look at, like, the strategy first.
Yeah, it's
bull. If you see a bull, that means it's going up. You see a bear flag, that means it's going down.
See, I need to learn. I got to remember all these terms. Like I was asking her the terminology. That's what. Like I can't wait to get my account. Like I'm gonna hopefully apply for it Friday. Well, whatever you tell me. Once I get paid Friday, I'm gonna hit you up. And like I'm a hands-on type of person. So once I get my hands on it, I'll have a way better understanding about this.
Yeah, it'll be easier too with you actually having the charts in front of you.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's easier when you can actually look at your own chart to see it.
Listen, I'm not. It's like around 4. Each time around 4, the market does this little. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but I'm not sitting around till 4 o'clock. G, like that's too late for me.
I'm just saying, like, oof, if you're around, back around, just look. Just look, because I've been seeing it. It's been consistent. I seen it yesterday. I was like, oh my goodness, look at this drop. Oh no, I take that back. It didn't drop. It kept going up yesterday after what was the market in yesterday? Duane?
What was that?
The market in?
Like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Duane is in the trade right now.
My bad, guys. Sorry about that.
Oh.
Sorry about that one.
Let's see if we start waterfalling.
Come on, waterfall.
Oh,
Niagara, come on, baby.
Niagara.
Niagara, not Viagra.
I caught you, Steve.
Man, I used to work at a pharmacy as a pharmacist tech, man. You'd see people coming up on their scripts. It's hilarity.
Go back. Oh. Probably gonna touch.
We didn't even bounce. That's weird. Looking for another bear flag here. Those buyers try pushing that price up, but it's looking like a bear flag. 45 seconds left on the 2-minute chart. I'm normally never trading this late.
Oh, you better stop.
We're human.
We are human. You are correct.
And it's about to hit 12 o'clock, so maybe this will be the money shot. Let's go.
For it to go low. Come on. I wanted to.
I wanted to. Hey, we all want to do something at the end of the day.
Real. I'm not gonna lie. For some reason, I'm on the YouTube live, but it looks more clear on the YouTube than on the Zoom call for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's just watching himself on there. You go, man.
He said, "You go, man."
Appreciate you helping me get my watch time up over there, G. Appreciate that.
Oh, no problem. Oh, you gotta go low.
Just waiting. Just waiting.
Ooh.
I put a line on the chart, so.
You're doodling. I have the same one too. That's how I know that I'm in trouble. I have the same line as you.
Yeah, don't follow me, Steve. Listen.
He says, "Don't follow me, Steve."
No,
Listen, this is for entertainment purposes only.
Entertainment purposes.
Gotta throw that disclaimer out there.
Your doodling is always entertainment, but I would not be spending this much time with anybody else, and that's a fact.
How hey, Duane, how you get it to say last price like that each time when it moves?
Indicator
Where are you looking at? Which chart?
On all of them, like you know, it says last, like with that blue line, it says last.
Oh, that bad boy.
Yeah.
All you have to do. Now I gotta think about that one.
Uh-oh. He's thinking again.
I'll double. Let's see. Is it? Yeah. All you have to do on Ninja is the current price marker.
Indicators.
Yep. Your indicators on Ninja.
Oh, I don't have none of those there.
No, you have to add them. You have to add those.
Oh, the bar timer and all that.
Yeah. You don't have. Here, take a photo if it's clear, or I can put it in the chat.
Right.
I just took a photo of myself. It's a duck face selfie. Should I send it to you?
No, thank you. You can keep that.
All right, I took a picture of it.
All right. But all you have to do, you literally click it, you hit add.
Okay.
And it'll put it down here.
All right. Got you. I see it.
But with that, you have to do that on each chart. That's the only thing I don't like about Ninja. It doesn't copy across all of them.
But what's good about that is you can have, like, you know, one chart, you know, because for a while there's lines everywhere.
Yeah.
So I kind of like, you know, then I realized like to clean up, like, because I have a 1 minute just kind of running in the background and it doesn't have too much on it for that very reason.
I don't see the current price maker one. That's what I'm.
Current price marker.
Marker, yeah.
He wants to make the price. That'd be awesome. Just type
Hey,
it
if he
in.
could do that, gee, set it real good for us.
Okay, true.
There's that buying pressure, but it wants to touch that whole number too.
Don't go chasing waterfall. We're consolidating right here. The Bears want to drop it. They want to drop it like it's hot.
Like a hot potato.
Let's see. Where would it be trying to go? That's the question.
some reason to, it doesn't have the. I don't see the current price maker on there.
Okay. What I could do. I'm surprised you don't have it because I sent you the workspaces.
Right.
Consolidating still. Real tight in here. We got that 400 level right below us.
That's what I'm banking on, but it's just like it's chopping me right now.
We got that VWAP right above us. Let's see if we tap it.
Mm-hmm. It gets touched, it goes right back. Hold on. Hold on.
This was the eval. This was the eval. I did not just lose $5,000. We're good. We're good. Did have that one, but I'm not trying to trade it right now. Not this late. What's this number? Right back up to the high of that 15-minute range. Oh. Let's see if we get a bull flag, and then I'll let this one play out, and then I'm gonna be getting off because today's Wednesday. Kids get out early from school. I want to relax a little bit before they get home.
Yeah, that's harsh, man. That early day when your kids are young. Oh. I remember being in Castleberry and think, oh, I got like an hour and a half, and it's like, wait, I got a half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Right on that 21 EMA currently on the 2-minute chart. It is the lunch hour, so can't expect big movement. How did I get 9 contracts? That's not what I was trying to do. Tapping the high of that 15-minute range right there. Instant rejection. Now we're playing ping pong between the high of the 15 and the 21 EMA.
Touch that VWAP.
Getting real tight in here. So we got that consolidation. We got a bear flag that's printing on the 1 minute. Want to see us get through this VWAP, because we get through that VWAP, we're going to the lows for the day for sure.
Guys, I'm just kind of holding out because it's like you say, it's a support there.
Yeah, just ping ponging. Well, gentlemen, I'm gonna be getting off. It's already after 12. Let me go chill out before getting these kids. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning.
And I did put that thing in the discussion in the group, that message that came up. So
Yeah, I'm pulling up right now. Actually, let's see. Pretty sure it was, since you opened up a new chart, you just had to roll it over. Discussion.
I went to another workspace and it followed me there. So
Yeah. Yep. So yeah, going to the 925. That's the one that you're supposed to be on. So yep. Just hit done on that.
okay, I just want to make sure I would be not like, wait, I'm not seeing the same things you're looking at.
Nope, you're good. You're good.
Okay, here we go. We touched the VWAP. Testing the VWAP. Duane will be testing the couch in less than 5 minutes, but let's just wait to see.
All right, I'm looking at the chart too. Let's see here. Buyers are holding that price right there.
Yeah, but like before it hung below the VWAP for a second. So let's see.
Even my fireplace just shut off. It says time to go.
Your fireplace is like, I'm done.
Like, I'm working too hard. I'm done. I'm done.
Two-minute flag too.
Buyer, we got those wicks on those candles, so buyers are definitely want to push the price up. Yeah, it's not moving. I'm gonna be getting off.
I understand. I was not trying to hold you. I just tested it. I was just letting you know. If you like to know, you like to know, and I know you'll be checking it after the stream is over. So I just saved you extra clicks.
Well, enjoy the time and fellowship, gentlemen. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Man, sincerely,
All right,
thank you. Thank you,
All right,
G.
All right, guys.
All right.
Bye. For everyone that was watching on the YouTube, appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Be blessed.